Well, hi everyone, this is Payal and you're watching Filmy Panchayat. Let us quickly talk about the most trending show on Netflix today, Bad Boy Billionaires.
You're not going to get an answer. The answer will be given to the judge.
Challenge the whole world that we have not done anything wrong.
Since 2012, I think there are some amazing documentaries on Netflix, and well, this is one of them. This is a very interesting documentary on three big businessmen in India and how they built their empire and how they collapsed. Bad Boy Billionaires is definitely a must watch. You might be wondering that why is it the #1 trending show on Netflix in India? Is because it talks about the king of good times, Vijay Mallya, Nirav Modi, a jeweler from Surat, and Shubratu Roy, Sahara Parivar, the owner of Sahara Group. वैसे तो डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज हमारे दिमाग में ऐसा है कि डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज बहुत बोरिंग होती है. अनलाइक दिस वन, ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है और बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि हर एक स्टोरी सिर्फ 45 मिनट्स या 1 आवर की है. वेल, द फर्स्ट स्टोरी स्टार्ट्स विद विजय माल्या, द किंग ऑफ गुड टाइम्स, द ओनर ऑफ किंगफिशर बियर, द ओनर ऑफ किंगफिशर एयरलाइंस, एंड फाइनली owning the Formula 1 team. He puts India on the world stage. India was very proud of Vijay Mallya, the great Vijay Mallya, hosting fancy parties, having a snazzy lifestyle, and how and what goes wrong. Well, that is why you need to watch this story. It's very interesting, though they don't go too detailed in the scam of what really happened, but well, you get to see a very fancy life and you get to see the real Vijay Mallya and a very entertaining 1 hour of the story. Well, second story is about Nirav Modi. He has been in news for a while now, and well, we are hearing that he is behind the bars at the moment. He had a very interesting journey, and let's see what his journey was like. The jeweler from Surat city becomes the owner of the most and the biggest luxury brand in the world, Nirav Modi. Well, the girls are going to love this. Girls are going to want a husband like Nirav Modi. Wow, what beautiful and amazing jewelry he had. Amazing diamond jewelry, and he was the one who took India to the world stage of luxury brands. And what a vision he had. What a brilliant businessman he was. And what a creative head who like made such beautiful designs. And well, what really went wrong? I think it's the greed of the money. I think at some point of time, these businessmen became very overambitious and didn't know where to stop. Well, I wish they stopped themselves from this greed of money, and this tragedy or the misfortune would have not happened. Well, the third story talks about Shubratu Roy, and oh my God, उसकी स्टोरी देखने के बाद तो मैं मतलब बहुत ही सरप्राइज्ड और शॉक्ड थी दैट हाउ कैन अ मैन डू समथिंग लाइक दिस. ही इज़ कंसिडर्ड गॉड, लाइक पीपल वर्शिप हिम. लोग उसके पैरों में सो जाते हैं. एंड ही एट द एज ऑफ 30 वॉज ड्राइविंग अ डर्टी स्कूटर इन उत्तर प्रदेश. लाइक ही वॉज अ नोबडी. बिल्कुल ही लाइक कुछ भी नहीं था वो. एंड आफ्टर दैट he became the biggest businessman in India, owning Sahara India. I mean, imagine what his journey would have been like. But what I really don't like is that he built this entire empire preying on poor people's money. बहुत ही गरीब लोग थे और उनके पैसे लेकर उन्होंने ये बड़ा अपना एम्पायर खड़ा किया है. Well, the greed of money can be very dangerous for a person. I mean, imagine a Shubratu Roy, somebody who thought he was the Robin Hood, who saved people's lives and who gave so much to people. When it came to light, I think it's really sad जो इन लोगों ने सक्सेस पाने के लिए किया है. Well, all three documentaries are worth watching. आप ये डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखने के बाद मुझे डेफिनेटली थैंक यू कहोगे बिकॉज बहुत ही एंटरटेनिंग है. एंड डू चेक आउट बैड बॉय बिलियनर्स.
You're not going to get an answer. The answer will be given to the judge.
challenge the whole world that we have not done anything wrong.